Having a bad day? Is your neighbor mowing their lawn at 2 in the morning? Do you live next to a frat house with constant parties? Well, we have the solution for you. The therapeutic noises of our white noise machine block out the unpleasant sounds of your everyday life.
Thank you.
White Noise To Go is a very simple machine to use. Press the power button to turn on the device. Use the buttons on the top and bottom of the panel to change the volume. Use the arrows to go through our wide selection of peaceful noises, such as tropical rainforest, ocean breeze, soothing rain, and so much more. Our calming library has been proven by psychologists and customers to keep your mind at ease during times of stress, and the small size and lightweight keeps it portable and convenient. To keep your experience enjoyable, do not press the button with an M.
I got my white noise machine, and now I can tumble to go.
Call 1-800-TO-GO to receive your white noise machine. Call today and receive a second one for free. Just pay separate processing and handling fees.
White Noise To Go!
Wow!